Now we are going to see that shunt motor. The winding is connected across the armature series combination, so it is called the shunt DC motor. RHS is the shunt resistance. RA is the resistance of the armature. RA is very small. The RHS is quite large. In shunting winding, number of turns, more number of turns with this cross-sectional. In a voltage and current relationship, the total current IC is equal to the supply voltage, and then the current is represented as IA equal to armature current and shunt. In IHS equal to V divided by RHS, the V is represented as E plus I. The flux produced by the field line is directly from crossing. As long as supply voltage is constant, it is generally constant. The shunt DC motor is constant flux flow. The flux is constant supply. In the DC series motor, this type of the series field winding is connected to series supply. RD is the resistance of the series. RD is very small. It has made of small number of turns with a large cross-sectional area. Total current equal to IC plus I. The V equal to is IC of RSC plus V plus the IA and ISC are equal. So the ISC is equal, right? IA. So we are taking IA as common term in this. So IA is common, so the remaining term is IC. So the voltage supply has to mirror in addition to and drop across the armature. The series product the armature series field winding, so the flux produced is proportional to the armature. The I is directly proportional to IC. The current both so phi is directly proportional to IC. I is directly proportional to IA. The torque and speed equation for shunt. The torque and speed equation for various type of directly proportional phi is I. So this is because 0.1. P is a third order Q is a constant parameter. The flux produced by the field winding is proportional current passing through so phi directly proportional to field winding. Field current. The various types of torque. The DC shunting motor IH is constant as supply voltage is constant directly proportional to phi IA for a shunt. For a DC series motor, C same. So the P directly proportional to IA square because IA and the IC are equal. So EB equal to phi N is directly proportional. Right? So V equal to U is IA or if then EB equal to minus R. For the speed equation, the number of turns represented as N proportional. E minus IA R right? Phi. For a shunt motor, the flux is constant. So N directly proportional to minus I. So for a series motor, flux is proportional to N directly proportional to V I.